Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. I am in Gunma today, and we were going to a falls, but there's this suspension bridge that I must show you that we saw on the way here, and we're about to go on it and take some videos. So let me turn around and show you. Look how big that is. And we're in the mountains. I don't know what mountains we are on, but this is the destination for now. So we are at Waterfalls. It's raining, but the shots you've seen so far are so beautiful. And there's a red bridge over that direction. We're gonna go. Bless you. Oh, the dog just sneezed. But oh, I hope he's okay. But there's a red bridge that we're gonna try to go to when the rain kind of lets up. I don't want to get the camera wet, so we're hiding under this like pagoda gondola. What is this?
What do we call it?
I don't know what it's called.
I can't think of the word.
It's this.
What do we call it? It's not a gazebo.
Gazebo.
Is it a gazebo when it's wood?
Yes.
You sure?
It's wood.
Is that what they call it when it's wood?
Yeah, yeah. We're sitting under a gazebo, we think. But yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I did not know I was signing up for a hike. But also, that curry I had earlier was so good. So, we did get to park here for free, under the pretense that we shop at the store that's near the car. It sounds a little sketch to me. I don't know about y'all, but we'll try. So, Evie, how you feeling?
Tired, warm.
Tired and warm. I agree. I'm gonna put you guys away until we actually get to that bridge, just so that I don't get the camera wet, because y'all are a lot of money. So excuse me while I melt because I'm melting. But ice cream, yum. Also, my camera's dying. Okay guys, so my camera died earlier. My camera is now alive again. We are in the hotel. We are in Maebashi, which is the capital city of Gunma prefecture. And we're in our hotel at the Comfort Inn, and Evie is making tea. Failing to make tea. What exactly is wrong?
I can't get into the kettle.
Is it this button?
No, I think that's to like let the water up. Does it just? Oh, it just screwed up.
She's a little. It's been a long day. If you can tell, my face was like dripping earlier because it's just hot. Like it's rainy, but it's also like hot. So makes it really, really humid. But anyway, so yeah, we didn't make it to the red bridge because I think that's a car bridge or something, or it was like on the other side. It was just too hot. It started raining. Plus we needed to come check in. There are like no parking spaces, so if you do come to Maebashi with a vehicle, I suggest getting to your hotel location as early as possible because parking's just not the best in Japan for people with cars. But yeah, I'll do a quick little tour, and we're just gonna shower, go get food, and we're gonna be in Maebashi for 2 nights. So I'll show you more stuff tomorrow, but today we're just gonna go get food because I think the sun, well, not really the sun, I think the weather has beat both of our behinds. Yeah. Evie just nodded her head in agreement. She's gonna get some tea. She's from the UK, so sometimes she gets like tea withdrawal. Like, I'm not kidding. Like I know you Americans are probably gonna think like that's really weird, but no, seriously, she like her head will hurt and stuff, so she needs the tea. She needs the tea. Like, tea time is a thing over there, so she needs this. Here is the front door area. We've got some slippers. Here is the bathroom, which is all together, toilet, sink, shower, tub combo. Not as nice as the last one. And then Evie here sitting on the bed, looking comfortable. We've got a desk, a TV, a kettle station, and then the outdoors. And Evie's the best. This is our view. Actually pretty nice. It's a really nice city. So, yeah. Okay, good morning everyone. We are still in Gunma and we are at the Tambara Lavender Park, and it's beautiful. And I think it goes up further than it looks like it does. So far I see red, greens, yellows, purple, sunflowers over there. So I think what we might do is walk around this part of the park and then see if we can take the lifts up to the top and figure out what's at the top. So, yes. So, we made it to the top. And as you can see, most of the lavender is gone. Unfortunately, Japan has like a time limit on most things here. Food, fruits, flowers. There's a season for everything. And we just barely missed this one. So we are stopped at a kombini for a restroom break. It is raining now, but basically like I was saying, super heavily breathed, Japan has like a lot of different seasons, so you have to be like very vigilant about when you go to Japan, because certain places are like on a time limit where you can't get this certain food, or you can't get this, see this certain flower, or enjoy this certain festival until you have like because of the timing. And it's just like, yeah, so we were at the very tail end of lavender season here in Gunma. We got to see a little bit, but not that much, and now we are on our way to go eat in a very nice, beautiful town that I'll tell you a little more about when we get there. It's about almost 1. I'm hungry, she's hungry, we're all hungry. So you guys, hopefully if it's not raining too bad, I will show you some of where we are going. We'll see. So yeah. Okay, so we are in a town called Kusatsu. It's an onsen town, and it's still in Gunma. We have cognac sashimi here, which is like their thing. We're in a restaurant. I don't know the name of it. I'm not gonna be able to put it on the video at all because it's Japanese. I can't read Japanese, but this is what it looks like. We're gonna try it. Looks weird, but we're gonna try it.
Cognac sashimi. I'm scared.
I can't pick it up. I can't pick it up.
It's like a sausage sauce.
So it's like this. It looks slimy.
How slimy is such a
Okay, so it's kind of gummy, but there's no taste to it. There's like a sauce on it. To me, it's a little spicy. Evie doesn't think it's spicy. To me, it's a little spicy, but like it's kind of like it tastes like nothing.
I told you something doesn't have flavor.
It tastes like nothing, but apparently this is like Guma's thing, so interesting. Okay, so I got beef udon here, which is not their specialty, but this is Gunma beef. Udon noodles to go into the beef. It's gonna be so good. Itadakimasu. So we stopped at this cafe because it was raining really hard, and now we're about to just eat something sweet, check out a little bit of the foot bath, and then we're gonna leave. I know I sound super naive, but I was just not expecting there to be so many people with the weather being so bad. But like, they want their vacation too, I guess. So Evie got a mocha latte. I got cheesecake and tea. Basically, we are going to eat this and then head back towards the car. There's a foot bath on the way there. I might put my feet in. The last time I attempted to do an onsen in the summertime, it just was not working. So we're gonna try again, but with my feet only. Okay, so the foot bath was busy. We are gonna leave because it's hot. We're tired, we have a time limit. And honestly, in my opinion, it's a beautiful town, but I don't think that coming here during the summer is a good idea. Come during the winter so that you can book a ryokan, so you can stay and have a nice, beautiful time in a yukata and not have to worry about, like, I don't know, the heat. We're gonna leave, we're gonna go check into our hotel, and I think that's pretty much the end. I think we're gonna try our best to fit in one more activity, but I'll let you guys know if we can't do that. So for now, we're gonna go back to Maebashi. Okay, so we are in the hotel. It is not the best looking hotel, but it's a place to put my head for the night. I will show you a little tour, and then we're gonna go get McDonald's, and that's pretty much it for Gunma. There's supposed to be a fireworks show tonight, but I don't know if we'll be able to see it from the river, so I won't even post it, honestly, just because I don't want to chance it and take my camera all the way out there and it not be possible. So that is it for Gunma. Thank you guys. Let's do this tour and then I'll let you guys go, okay? So we've got the front door and we've got this little closet area. Cute. Oops. And then bathroom, tub, shower, toilet combo, and then here is the whole room. You've got this nice looking bed. It looks comfortable. A chair, a table. You've got a desk, and then a TV, a refrigerator, and some cubbies for your stuff. And then my view from here. Here is my view. Pretty nice. Yeah, so that's basically the hotel. It's really nice. They have breakfast in the morning. He also gives an option of having either Japanese breakfast or American breakfast. Of course, I picked the American breakfast. I want to see how good they do. I know they can do Japanese breakfast perfectly. So yeah, that's it for this video. We are going to go. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to join the family, because we're building a family over here. And also, don't forget to check out my other videos. They will be up above. From this trip, I have one more destination, and it should be popping up somewhere to the side here. Just a little tiny clip of what's gonna happen next time. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye. Bye.